Abusan say Shebium 1441 any short code away to me a day was same bisa ne wadwenkyerɛ afaso na me nso makan ma kama Honorable Kwabena Kokofu aye mrahye bedwani ewo Bantama constituency of the Ashanti region. Honorable Mwakwaba.
Yes sir bro.
We are called here.
Adom.
Ope MP so mo ofa pa Honorable Kokofu ka ho. Wasaya abrantie abrantie. And I got a chima in South Madam Fu Minua my advisor a friend Honorable J Mensa. Honestly mrahye bedwani ewo Techima in South Emma NDC. Honorable Akwaba.
Yes,
official panso.
Na me ma fi dan committee.
Ewura 2015 mo mi hu.
Me nya hia.
Honorable Kokofu de te hia wo form ho din komo kakra sa. Abusanfo hia de ne say ye ba be sin kunya na ya dwendwen wo man Ghana ho. Ne ne ma mienu ana ye bedi hu komo ye bre ni swanti ye be kan nyina abom na ya kan. Ya ne tie Flagstaff House jadam daily guide ana de beto manfo anim. Nti se daily guide bo a ye so ye bo a I say health must rule. O share the workers and one for me and send them. Ura Raymond Atuguban for them. Chief of staff there wo and afi penny back on so Doche Malo now Kasa Emma presidency. One so say Diana Yediama waja hokoni ye say o main pepenso o main dua ye say be ko ani mu na fe in fight in the course of presidency na ye koya na ye bai. The touch me no so ye be hwe say enche 3rd March na district level elections baso assembly elections no ana opanyi bi esusu dua say say Ghana ohwepa anka district level elections no officially mfa party semo mem ukogina na akogina na obisa say nka Ghana yidum pepenso betimi di party semo abamu ana say asomasi kogina so say bi we oye CPP ni ana NDC ni MPP ni mfa no nyina so na yento abama ebeboa ama Ghana democracy ni kedmamin kabino akonkan yana ana wo say susu dua ka say ba ne sankro ana entumi entwa ye fi say Ghana democracy ni kura na se bi ejina na ba akoso enhyeda enkoye woni nsem a ye bedi hu nkomo ene anopati me sha say free Honorable Kwabena Kokofu has masru ana has a rule I shall say rule e wo Flagstaff House
oh then na kamini na be ho anyway
me ho
o me Flagstaff House
dari
o de na be ho na be ho na wie na ba oh yes the signs are on the wall mamini kanchia wahwefo no atiefo nyara na mamu nyina achi titiri mini anu ma Bantama mpesi aso ene me party mpenifo na adodan kwa Akufo-Addo flag bearer ene di odi na chire na oboni chidom Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no ho kafu nyinara General Secretary Kwabena Ejapo na me chairman Afoko no krane de ba akupe the center cannot hold things have fallen apart
and the section no achebe na kan yo
Chino Achebe ene ma agi agu ama sisia no nia obi nim nia owo in control ewo o kai se mre bi atwam na DC bi a yeso and friends twa DC yes president so ayi na di yes general secretary se mempene yenyi na di afi wakotena afia be na bosume be se so ya reinstate no na let be free presidency aba na NDC mabuna wo mantemo ho omubu ofudendende o maye press conference o mpene na obi ntimi hu besine se twa DC se president chiro so ayi na die se ye adwuma ana se nya adwuma se general secretary Ewura Johnson Esedu Nketia kan se papa ninsan kofa na adwuma se oda ho ye adwuma so nya adwuma obi nim. There have been many instances sir can you dum so any statement you beba yes ye free president aso ye afi chese obehwe na we akoka we na we de nam ha na we de obi nhunu nia owo control who is in control ewo Flagstaff House enti se o kan se ayi na eka newspaper na eka nyesa enti se o mo bo a bia o so bo a enti eye susude yentwan hwe se o maame ada na o maame ewu na so wada ade bechi a obia maame benyane ye behwe na ka maame enu nti so far sisi ade allegations but ye hunu ene ne aye tete ene se ne anemasi kone ade ne de o se virtually just unhu ne ogina ne na so pa se me kasa ma aban ana president me na me kasa ma no ye chese we ka bi wa na we ka bi na anu ye anaji ase yesi jama minister ne koka na asem ne deputy so e di date foforo so akoto aso. What is happening? Energy minister so nana crowd e anu why you confused say power we say energy oni nyina
fibu na energy na power so ya Kwabena Donko
na mu de he no say by
Kwabena Donko na say by the end of this year na they say omochimi aso anoma dum so na abesen ko
na John Jinapo deputy wa he
say John Jinapo deputy of power
sisi ya bese ye haye nkwada no kra ko suku no kra dodo because kan ya ye ko suku ye de bebo know your ministers na undo ti akola bi atime recite no senior atibi
and minister bia
yes some regional ministers ni adinya na de abebo know your ministers sabra na civic education eye adwuma pa enti teacher ba ya ubisa say one minister of interior akoda de ni tie wu class okra man nsa so anu ohunu waka what you say and now we a professor kura we need ministry kura one we one and one that because ade chia no pe bia e see a team ministry fufuro enti first half asem no ne de minim se de tibiara e be no kure na enya ma abonten
na so wachi tibia e fa ho se bia president no nhada nyina ne nanso se o issue order bia nkofo mfa nya adwuma.
And then been my country, some amount, typical example, DC, ya no, or country, ya, presidents who are in a DFA, you see, Abe Pachawa Mane, you see, Abe, General Secretary, say, there be, Uncle Enejuma, nobody knows, Obien who are with him. Matete crisis, a president, he took my crowd, woman, Abe Kobi, Abe Kano, Kranuku, to me, ya, Sempa.
I know Obiape so Kobi, and I am Obi Kobi.
And so Obiape so Kobi, no business, ya, my own Kobi. Bikura na president kura susu Kobi ye obi no timi tran chen ka se wo ye ma Kobi. What you say? Am pass Kobi. So eti enya de ani kan na unim se o mamu ni nyinara ana presidency no ho mayen. Ana president no nko ane na bede akire entimi nya adwuma no. Enu nti no na ehia ma se so mu appointments etwa won ho hia. No mu boa adwumadie no na se koba se mu a ya to nsa afre mu se mu mra meye adwuma na mu meye aboafo no mu amutwa mo ho na mu keka mo ho wie no ne ade a na president na so odua bobi because obi te se be free akra ko Brazil ba yi na ne hu nsem twoo ne ho ahwan ne ade ne ya te hu commission ntempa president ne ebramaso ye president na womu a wo mu ye adwuma pa wo mani abra wo mu hu ni enka chema no ka se wo mani begisa obi ye bone a ni ye ja no no face the law said the mra no ene hihye ne tie ye mfa ne nkusie wo presidency wo de ne kosa na wo me wo hodada na ye adwuma wo mani abre no wo mu udi yawo wo de nkeka wo be keka wo mu so ho enu no ye bia etoso bi obi o nso an na adwuma ni se ba ye minu ye hye coat tuntum me hye coat ash what you say ba behwe no na ko nya me coat ash yi san hye digu ne de so aka ho na che se kono ko hye coat mienu na me hye someone takes too much whilst others have none nti obi adwuma ye twa ma no se so ye no ohwe wani mu na wo kura woni ncha chire papa bi wo fie honom ne ade a na opeso oje wo de ka ne de ho na che se ka ade on na mu akwa what you say ana power brokers na our system no nsi ye wo president na emu ana president here so powerful na ne de nya ono nko wo ka say abra yura his excellency president Rollins edi ade na ye ma me kunu do no powerful papa
very
ha it first ladies no bebre timi gina ho na so ye powerful eti ye ma me lodi na ntia ya nya ne se ne mu odene pa e ba chihye mu ni ade nto no so on block wo ho ansa na party mpanifo yi you see doing ketia no represent party ni general secretary one block wo to be our baby a osomko even do mu na presidency ho enti emonyo ana omuko Kumasi congress na no kra na akosa asem se maye hu obi a baby a no obi gina to bi wa ne candidate lusui obi candidate afi no abamu so hu nti kane na ka kana sha ne candidate ne bi kra ba chairman national chairman nti ne mu ayedu unhuza ompne man kan ise bio nti all these things na very 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 dangerous na emwa o ma chechire if you say Ghana nya NDC for there we need to betimi akoye no NDC headquarters but enye the presidency the seat of government president ne cabinet ni hia asumdwe na nsɛm a ɛkɔso wɔ how bebrebe ya omuhu ne pomasibre nka wo manya asumdwe na nka yetu omufo a na nka bi o mafa no ma dwendwene ho na ko mo de aye adwuma na abɔ my Ghana na mo bata ho mo udi bɔfo aya wo kwaye mu na mo twa mo ho na mo ko ana wo nyina ebi no mo nso a no mo yie o madwuma pa ana ye draft wo mu ye hwɛ
yo ma se ommeboa
omumra meboa na so no wo bibi ye na se moa nti de bia president esusu so betimi aye bibi na ye de ne ba na adekode na eseso ye no ye ma no kwan ma no nye nemum obia akwahunu bia timi ye de opesa bio kwahunu bia timi kwayi gina timpie so ka de opɛ eye de opɛ ne ye de abɛhye won a wo ho na ba ne sa ahomete ipa ne nya kwan obɛpɛ so obɛfiri hɔ akɔ no akɔpɛ ne ba bia tena ebi won so a na nye ono a na efiri obi won so na ye pushi no ye pia na tikɔ se wonko nti let's wait and see
me ye be call no safi wi ana ba second ones ma me text messages mi no mi ensa bi so ansa ana honorable Ajemensa bam also John Mahama and his NDC government is increasing our problems. We shall vote them out from power in 2016 election. Ata Odifriamowi offense so. Save the date, 6th March 2015. Ghanaians in protest against Dumso, high fuel prices, corruption and unemployment. Arise Ghana youth for your country. Sitting on the fence is not the best. I'm funny, Amba. Abigail from Adenta said we want power. Not this political discussion, but Nina Ghana home celebrity about power. Nina say political players yana or say power in Sabeka. Sorry to disturb your program. Just want to inform you of an incident at Odungpeshi School at Kasua. A dead body found in the school this morning. Yes, school be the Odungpeshi School at Kasua. And the police force, some more here, and with my police force here. I say, dead body be at that one of the classrooms. Until police for one more the answer, mom and I ain't it here. The are a health questions. So you be yano next week. My main call no boy James. What James?
Menua. My main fa kwenye na menchie tifo a omohwe nyina na nkanka adehia omo techiman satum pasa so ne techiman no fu nyina. Nsema the regard in the papers be the ababe to be say power struggle be ekoso presidency eno ho asem ne ye be kan na menue ba bi o de kone nam ye power ministry ya titi ministry de dri ntikura amasisi o ma ye confused
koda
menue akom ye nada asanka akom si ye nada anka yenye ne konfo anochi pension nyina na ye nada ono na ban a wodo no pa MPP under the president Kufuor aban transport ministry na ye wono ono nko abeche mu be me ensa ne nan na ya ton Ghana ewisi edi so ye creative the whole ministry of aviation na ye ni plane ba kokora wo mani we mu
ba na plane
ayi na ya ton ye railway scribe ya railway license ya ton scribe aton odi awi no ye creative ministry of harbors and railways so na ye ni coach ba kokora ne nam ye mani mu so ye creative de me am professor Kufia mi otechimani de she kotoa no na auto office kwa nti yo no ne ye ka na ne very guided ya beto ne sempanyufo bi wo presidency onu ye speculate asema wo kankan a wo hu detail and the end of the story or ye ultimate say purely speculation nti ye ti ye ntimi mfa ye na nsi
oh when that screen is hash through at Flagstaff House
oh menua say the paper he de ato na se wo kenkan kora Hess Road ya ene zenka obi ni asake wo mo enye sa but wo kenkan so kro kan jiro se bi se wa resign extra kwa akoye na dwuma communication expert is
Bendo Chemalo
yes wo kenkan enye daddy guy na mekan atin se publisher also o say wo no gi 1 year leave o ye adwuma wo UN no gi 1 year leave se wo ba beboa president wa be ye na adwuma wie wo ba ya wo ye adwuma wo ha no kora no ya man promotion enti wona adwuma na wo ye no mu enti promotion ye de ama no adwuma na ya attractive nti sources bi kire say obesen akono wakọ akoye na adwuma fine say it is fine kakra me pese me kafa saade we ho ne say nokore politics ni politicking in this country no enye easy job nokore pa na ewo no
politics
yes
the politicking of politics
enye easy job enti look say the obi ba especially omo ye technocrats obi a wote wo se bibia na wonwena man yosem ho won de na dwuma na wo ye bi ti say executive secretary say yes wo hwo no na dwuma obaba be ye ne presidency because what wo ye fine gentleman ono no wo de no ba politics mi say adwuma wo ye ya oduru ba bia na mi say hey how can this man survive in this terrain of politicking in this country? Enti me nim say wa free ho so that so ho but even say we di 1 year we di 2 years ya I think say ye bonaba so na ba bia no hye no me ngini say easy task na wo hwe ne background ni ba bia o free ba yeah 7 yes gatam ye politics no de ono ye de different because ye nim telling of the job some of them or accepting their appointment we no me no hia but I know said there be what was adwuma we de ma fa to me ho so de no senko nim sese ne na eti anka maybe o because no it's a gentleman me ye madwuma bi na but 3 years say obetimi abeg combine say adwuma we na o de aka ne professional na no ya ne bia ni no Ghana ha so ye lawyer ni ma papa man for respect no mu timi ye o ye yes serious anti baby a wa ba no terrain no ye quite different na say won ye very strong wa menu frustration alone no be put you off
ora wo hwemu a mama musa say mo hwemu na say politicians and a bit to solve the immediate problems of this country and the so-called technocrats.
Meanwhile, when we are in crisis like this here, meanwhile, you hear political decisions. Share technocrats or more decisions near you no be no matter. Or be book long in the keka and no immediate solutions. But decisions be wise, say a political decision. Technocrat be and take that decision.
So if you have politics could say at the end of the day, also to win power. And if you are no, it's tilted towards that direction. Say at the end of May, at the end of the day, politician, no team akwa na wodi nkunim. Nti kwa me faso
menu yes any Africa politics obi beto aba obedi nkunim. Nanso ni nkunim die no enye nkunim die papa. Me I think say politician papa ne ultimately this solution to the people's problem. We have solved one problem. Yes. Seriously, say we are in the era of doom so. Ghana ni bia ni nje ho. Ojitum. Yes. The politician papa ne say this problem ayewe ultimately solution aba na within shortest possible time. Doom so no be a thing of the past. Namum tena hold the technocrats the technical decisions then the keka ho masa one share 2 years na yenya solution
but they are the experts.
Problems. Yes, at times experts advice no yes, but we combine it with hard political decisions. Decision be what is painful but it's so tricky. Now the solve problem.
And then we share maybe a power crisis and the example. What are some of the painful decisions that about no take here now when you obey take?
Masa, the woman say decision be why painful, but you take care. Yeah, politics no, yeah, near my board, the American says like we are running for the Christmas economy. Says you will me home. You bet me take it hard and then maybe political decision be able to aboa you see you woman you say energy sector install capacity there you na mo the problem a you see crude oil you be power various machines na yatima my light enye no edru ba bia but ya so Ghana for yet to tariffs ye wo see price you we ne board but Ghana ni bia some person ka sumi wo bedem and you fine ye better crew no ye their power various machines but we are going to tariff the system in such a way that it make economic sense. And now we are in the era of prepaid meter. To saving yeah price no cost no. Na wuntime ntwa ene yesa na ato. Obetima to na wato. Na ode agu onkane mu no wanyankane a. These are some of the policies say at this time also say you dwena seriously because last week Ghana ebo omo last match omo boy Ghana fo bi anya bi ahwe
Ghana ne Guinea no
binum anya bi ahwe every say na binum da sum memi say minya Ghana match ne hwe na mi ye kin say nka me hwe Ghana match ne wie no ka me hwe Cote d'Ivoire ne Algeria match no but after 6 o'clock off manya hwe metu ho nyina na maninye senka ebia power no tariffs no akosoro kakara ebia Ghana ni bi beto no de ashim no wanya ball na hwe but sisi nyina no se wo trace kora se ekosoro na obeta you don't have that trace. And these are some of the political decisions say you taking at this crucial time. I think it's a Ghana for muda sumu light ko off 12 hours or muda sumu no do na be prefer say or mu be pay a little bit higher no money 24 hours.
So talking about payments in there, you say my last question, Sana. You say world market crude oil price no say above from at the sink be affordable.
I say you take into consideration. Now you take this kind of political
decision. Very harsh one.
Oh, you had the crown would be necessary to take it.
Necessary.
Yeah, a quick one. My colleague, yes, so I had here. What to me interesting scenario be our review. What country or say technocrats na ba be Juma presidency nominated. Nya wo mu no nsem no mu book long nsem no na here a political decisions. Drew crisis say nominated political decisions. Sometimes ubenya wo mu akri omu say electricity ni ade me mfa politics. You are taking a political decision. And as I'm taking political decisions, and the young man in it is a me as a politician may espouse alternative idea. May try be fufuru bi akebetime de asolve problem na. How dey no more to make say and find your politics in here. What you say? Say no. Technocrats anyone no ma omo they are yeah politicians here this our ministry oh. And so a deputy minister, me shows will be about more 2 years or that
and what is your deputy minister?
Last minute injury time the baby what you say? No queer woman say yeah the say be oversight responsibility. Near be making sure say decisions are eba na in here technocrats input. Ya they are to near your one in your isusu ho. Yeah, why not? Now what buying or no the washer and say quite be a me pass me win electioneering machine. And no kwa it is say be take and amobi na MY me win election there. And now you now votes are pedi see a team one. This are very serious revelations are making. And no na ekoso wa bem. Now, see I'll say nka power no e betimi aso no na ye work capacity no tema nemu petrol diesel ne crude na beto agumu no eno no ne ade a na be mabo na koso mama nkai me brother say na ye wa ba bi ho andaje ekufo NPP aban. When crude oil barrel was $147 per barrel. Now you okoto machines buy. And no cry my the then VRA
Dr. Charles
I say toys any other but whatever it is toys say you dean you the back we see installations baby here power critical am I the crude oil no power no am I solve problem no at that level at that time and there a baby or Ghana for you a baby or some machines na me ya gya tum said that ho nemom aban ni susu say you better crude oil no any ade ne de agum no ebema bo na kosoro and crude oil ne $45 per barrel ebre ye $147 per dollar no so de on te say si de ne naira no ma kai odanda ne hu so otimu anu otim dollar that sabre no and $4 na no ne and mahama dollar enti $147 kofo ne na ban timi to e de begu machines mu plants mu me de adwuma ene eso ate aba $45 eno no mo se boarding etimu ntimi nto mo na mo ka kire ye se gas what the gas power turbines na which is true gas what the power turbines na far cheaper and affordable crude oil and nunti West Africa pipe gas line mo se ship bi akotwie pipe no ho nti ye repair wie pe gas ni be flow sa nti kanea na yedum ni de ye hunu bibie uda ya repair wie be mfie be miensen ya da ho tede ete mo se oh say buida come on stream a ya wie president koko gina ho ko bie buida mo wie o se afede ya mahamo si ya nkanea nti kanea ne de enum bie uda ni atim na that president be na no be ma promise bia na situation na worsen na anu de ama ye hunu ama ne kura ya atoabo gas plant so atoabo come on stream oh atoabo ya wie oh ebe ma ye 600 wo mke kana kese ye be save $600 million per year na gas no say be ni na ba atoabo ya wie is on stream ye da hote de et enne who admit say the immediate solution and think you better crude near their power ama wabusa ne sisi say afedi e bo na kofom e bo no so ate more than about 3 times fold emre bi atwam enti den ne simo kwan say immediately ye mo better crude na mo their power thermal plants no na Ghana for wan high abra ye gusu a ye hwehwe long term solutions to ya hawi these are where ye near bia ye tumfo amomfa aban no wasisi na so bibie ni wa wo ka ebia ne se o se technocrats class de o mu ka no ho bie ho mfa nya adwuma it is a technocrat ne ka kire o se meba se technocrat ne ka kire o se ye nkoto crude oil mra na se political decision is ye nto crude oil ne ye nto ni kina then we are at square one baby ayo enti aya so dene na ka me de mihunu ye onipa wo bibi wo ye bibi na kire wo so a na ka consultation obisa kofi ono aye bi pen the dru ense na aye no we waye mrebi waye ni say na aye no na ke to adwene na ye de solve problems o ma ni ye de politicians ye de both NDC MPP CPP whatever political parties are in the system no o man Ghana ye mu bia de Ghana for dia na akwanya bi na ya na abakeke se mfie bi se mfie nan ya se mu amayoku we mu Ghana ehyemonsa ya de afem mo na msim betimi aye ABCD nti mo hwe maye ya hawdie ya kanie ya suni ya education health bibiara na mo ba bem na mo beye ne membisia na magu ye ho fi ama onam kra na politician na afere ebi se mo NDC fo mo na mo gina politicians anam sese enti se o ma bia se emu be yehu a na timamufuo no engidi ewowo amanyo sem ne amanyo akwan ne amanyo niam nhihye mu no na omugidi free mu pe na ayehu when the confidence level of the citizenry in governance and governance systems way na dangerous
is o champion menso Ghana yedria me de belenke fanyina some can say democratically Ghana yegyina na ba akoso nti district level elections no ye de be ya amanyosem dia enhye dam wo hwe yegyina be democratically to say
yɛgyina yie. Oh, now this is the first time Ghana, you see, so the democracy are running beyond 2 decades. The first republic under President Kwame Nkrumah, how many years? Second republic under Professor Bizia, how many years? 2.5 years. The third republic under President Hillary Liman, 2.5 years. The fourth republic, you have 2 decades. You got 24 years and almost 23 years money away. What you say? And historically, we calculated the bar, ye. But the question is about leadership. And untina makachira mu say, mun play back tamale IE Institute of Economic Affairs presidential debate. Bra ye president na muntie na nado dan Akufo-Addo. Muntie ni biu first second third. Na no disem ewo kwan a ni vision a wo so be transform Ghana economy. So nya kwanya na electricity problem, energy crisis, a kwanya obepese ode o man be fa so e be solve. Na your democratic dispensation see ye be team ye na ye be move on. Ye be use gains na yenya. Hunade a ye hunu ene ne a anka ye susu se e be boa de enya maye no ye ye free to straight to many honorable member na nyadwen. Ghana ya tra ho. Indeed. South District Assembly local governance system no. You see a non-partisan. They share constitution. It was there for a purpose. Because at that time there was a deliberation. See a beshi said near man sebeya. You be perpetuate one party in government through the ballot box, through democracy. Until at the basic level there, Sabreno, some Bakaya, a tier for Bekaya. Na PNDC era, where they are there to bear 11 years. Now you're banning all political activities. But now PNDC were political structures on the ground. CDR, PDCs, and all that. A create BRC, locality BRC, PDC. Meaning, my brother could talk about a young PDC member at that time. And the PDCs need CDRs, no matter baby. They were political organs. They were there for a purpose. What you say? Enti time your ma kwan say afi dey your constitution your konkoye ni ade no me be assembly members ne ho ahwan nyina quickly see their members mogrified me boy dem boss bro na
honorable chairman Samuel.
Yes, minority leader bro. Yes, quickly they were down there as political elements the various levels. Quickly omuna a year and 10-1 on be year assembly members. Yes, non-partisan. Because that time, I feel Yama political parties are quite so me. And to establish themselves at the grassroots crowd in Yan and us. And to women in access. DC, go back to history. Obia ye DC, president appointing DC, no a coordinator, zonal coordinator, PDC, on a locality.
That's a partisanship now and Ecoso.
That is the point. But now you're one party. PDC party, PNDC party. Even though a military junta, but they cleverly and deliberately running on a political party system to ensure one party. What you say? It is not a joke.
That was then, but
you clearly, 20 years, you tested the constitution and your democratic principle. Near who say yes, you bet me I improve upon. This is the time as he changes structure.
Now you're a partisan.
Yes, of course.
To be general because me assume some MPP.
Yes. Uba Asante region, Kumasi. Womu pray wo NDC, susu so me NDC din nyina. Yetimi de womu ko meeting. The regional officers, a KMO, assemble strategy more the babuawon the base. It is there everywhere at the honorable Titus Global not complaining last week about Tema. Is it Tema East or so? Yes, DC you know is MC free candidates are homogena assembly ni nyina osusu so me NDC for do mu kotena assembly ho no mu ye meeting ye chechere say could say bi kura ye si bi step down maybe because mo prepare anya na NPP ni no ababe win. They are strategizing, they are doing all these things. And to what I didn't say that I want as a people. Now you play ostrich.
Now,
and then again,
the purpose established that district assembly concept will be defeated.
It will not.
Because it's an equal sharing of the national cake. They say yes, the politics, but yes, okay, it doesn't belong to party X, party Y, you know. You say, gentleman.
Now my culture said from the very beginning, it was a partisan. The very 1992, it was partisan. PDC for the CDR4.
The constitution is a union, sir.
So, yeah, that constitution is a union, sir. But other people can get the opportunity to do that. And nothing else, yes, sir. Men can say, yes, a bit yet, so no. As I say, yes, sir. This is the time. You're bold as a people. Now, this is crying to the swabber. Yes.
That's another matter for another day. Now, you to assume. I mean, kind of text message now for me call Noble James Sound. Was it from? My name is Yam from Awishi. Nana Dua Neko. NDC no size. Isaac Cape Coast says so. It is about time our politicians, beloved politicians, bury their differences, smoke peace pipe, but who tells you they are fighting, and lead the good people of Ghana to the peaceful promised land. From Superintendent retired Nana Amwa Tano the First. Superintendent, yeah, that's it for watching us. President John Dramani Mahama is NDC. They are not helping Ghana at all. They are more or less becoming yams by the day. So we will drop them come 2016. I'm going to call Noble, so.
Yeah, Minya. Minya ni semne okay kaya sana roba elections you see. Ka time I don't know. Anka me person me reaction.
We have less than 10 minutes.
We have less than 10 minutes. Me key me wo area no honorable Cape Coast MP no or the betrayal say this is assembly elections no. And so ye and partisan. Men no nya adwene se ne me nua e kan ye no. No krepa na ewum ni say na or the history bi be hihye we all me I disagree with him say PNDC na o mo pese ye one party state. During that time no mo genuine concern because I feel na ye best as parliamentary another round of democratic dispensation tinne the fears no by that time no ye very high say yan finally local government structure no so ye jamudi ye partisan anhwa edin sim bibire beba na ya practicing getting to so okay no 23 years menua enough is enough babia ya babi duri pa de na ye sare tena ho say Ghana ye democracy here nyanyini ye nti wo say ye hwe na da foforo da bebie menua ye start yansa na Côte d'Ivoire start ye start yansa na Kenya start ye start yansa na South Africa start some countries see nyina no omo local government system no ma ye ne partisan ama atima ye adwuma na say etimi ye adwuma wo Côte d'Ivoire etimi ye adwuma wo Nigeria etimi ye adwuma wo Kenya ne keka ho ye ba democracy pa Africa ye country me ensa Ghana kan ho bi na ye si ye nyanyini ya ne ye even it takes away the excitement ne enka say associated with this assembly election no kura eyi firi ho say ya ni partisan pa wo mani we mu enka say nka adagye ni poso na kura pa no nka adagye ni poso MPP fuo mu gina mu candidate achi MDC fuo ye gina ye de achi CPP fuo gina mu de achi masa anka obehunu say the high caliber of people Ghanaians mu nimidie because party a training grounds okay the local government do need a training grounds nka menu ekokofu ebi odi assembly man one PPD mu be yemfie dudu ansa na
assembly man
odi assembly
man odi assembly man da so ono ne ne wa betina ha odi MP kama nya sa to onye training no wo ho nti ade ntira kaya ye ne partisan ya MPP mrantie ne meba o mu pie no through assembly system no ma fa ho onamu na ye de agurum wo mo
na o de aba appointed me to KMA
no de aba be
government appointed
na me koye finance and administration convener just a chairman
wo ho no dia fama no dia bedi MP onamu a odia kodi minister ye namu a na bi dia kodi president ni ye keka na ne ye ka say oh ye ne partisan ye be say be ye ni say underground say ne minu ye kai okwa o kan he wo de kan DC nko ade no oja MPP for de ho minu mienu ye ka say wo be ko ba bia NDC fo abo mo nipa no ka kiro mo se mo ntuma ye nipa wewe ni NDC MPP for so the same thing o meetings ya hodo no ye koso ne say wo MPP second
so partisan for ni na person ka ye be no partisan no bia tumi akose we ka
na unim ade bi wom woti akire na woni aban ma uhunu ni fine say ma yenye ne partisan obeka ya MPP 2000 omo beba konwa so no omo manifesto ni na omo de bohu de wuru kese pa ne se omo ba omo be ma ya to oba de DCs enye sa kese pa no omo oh na manage ho even though na me NDC abaya na ye be rusu no na ye ya nye ne sa but MPP baya ko 8 years amaso NDC yesare wo opposition na ye adwene so ye ba de ye to ye beboa o ye to ye bebo ye nya tumi se yeso oni no kore na ewu mpa ne se me ma ye presiding member da ndi me ma ye adwuma wo assembly nye wo mu pa ne se si party bia wo power pe party nu finances ne keka ho bebre yenye bi free assembly ho na se ya ne partisan pa na se KMA MPP ni te so a ene NDC ni wo power de na se NDC ye ne bi wo kumase a ye betima ko KMA na se menu kokufu ne te ho a yakoro ho se boa ye na yenye saade dabi saa ni minu no MPP fo o mote akonwa so na se voter region ho NDC ni ne te akonwa no so se ho municipal chief executive wa MPP fo betima ko se sabe Nana Akufo ado oba ho enti yewe enti so onyanya power no wi a na wasa asesa na wonwuma asesa but say ye hwe from objective point of view national interest Ghana interest party me gitu say osese ye ne partisan na ye call the spade but not a digging too
me 1 minute or me 30 seconds na mo bia be say we dey asem me say answer because me call no bo komna kokofo no bo ujidi samanyofo do you have the interest and the well-being of Ghanaians and Ghana at heart? So yes. We Ghana home wo Ghana nkan ko edamakoma so.
Yes, me answer ne tentem na de kakra bi me issue bi enkan de honam. Yes, no kre amayofo New Patriotic Party. Said na na do dan ko
New Patriotic Party.
What's Tamale? Oh. We are no akade. E wo Tamale no. Yes, Ghana da yakoma so. Na ya demonstrate under President Kufuor's aban. Enunti na National Health Insurance ebeboa Ghana ehia for ye de buy. Metro Mass Transit ebeboa Ghana mobrowa for ye de buy. Ye de many other pro-poor interventions e de beboa Ghana for, including school feeding program. Quickly my ya na mekane ye aban sase a nipa bi fom efa. Mo kai say me committee chairman and me ranking member select committee on lands and forestry
Kwachi Mota dey
Kwachi Mota ko make sure say near ma de dadin and say enwie you soldierfo nsase nkrofo ofomfa an institution like military security zone nsase a ye twa to ho free na nanom penso abeduru ne ye ho bambo nkrofo the politics ne hihye mpanifo bi achi de akatakata womanim awia sansase no ne sojafo ani abre mesremo emre nadu ne sad semwe sojafo asemwe pa de se manka bi na ya anyere ye ho anhwe anyi wo mun sase ama wo mu a ebe ha wo ma no pa.
Honorable, the question no
menua politicians ye wo man no ho do but the way ye politics wo mani we mu no ose say yes san we a good man pa wo man ho do so wo pese wo ye adwuma no mama no tu anamon but ye political system ni wo kurum ha no sa fidie no eye fidie oyi MPP ni oyi NDC ni obeyi politician bia say yansesa no
a de enyi
ayimu
o ye huri tra
de be ne
o nyentina me kira
mutimi mo promise Ghana
abusana
se mo ba ma ya to ba yi
Arabos ahana di besi
ya aboa Ghana for school
abusana de honorable Kwabena Gogofu o yemrahye medwani
ya bi aboa Ghana for
Ashanti region ani ye court Techima kofa honorable Ejemensa Techima South ono so yemrahye medwani ogina ho ema NDC Within at the Kwame Ejiti, and like I said, we should be the assembly to him. Sometimes good things fall apart to make things fall together. Until the way be honest, Kuya, we shall say, Punis and Kuya, and Wabamumu, a be in more some one year day. Because have a blessed day. We are UTV, Madam Production Team, no, I say, Yami Boachna, Yabesa, Eshabue.